All right, guys, I got a simple, complex for you today. One kettlebell and your body weight. It's gonna be a quick training session. 5 rounds, 10 swings, 5 goblet squats, 10 push-ups. Quality, always. Use a bell, you can do that from swing to squat and do your push-ups right after. I'm using a 24 here. All right, this is full body, total body, as kettlebells always are. So, here we go. We got 10 reps. Make sure my camera thing's on. 10 reps, swings, right into squats, right into push-ups. This is how it looks. Set up properly, of course. Hinge. And you swing. We'll catch that bell. Position your feet. Woo! Always set down safely. Finish up with your push-ups. Cold, if you can get 10, do as many as you can. 10 max. All right. For range of motion, all the way to the ground, lock at the top, those triceps. Woo! And that's it. That's how simple it is. Swing, squat, push up. All right, 5 rounds, rest a minute. One more if you need it between rounds. Get it going, quality over quantity. It's a good way to get it in, get your full body. Got your swing on the pull, or pull on the swing, your squat, movement doing the squat, and your push, doing the push up. So total body, that's the kettlebell. That's how you get in and get it done quick. All you need is one bell and your body weight. All right, no excuses. Let's get this in, guys. Have an awesome day. Train strong, train smart, expect success, and always train with high quality. All right, see you on my next video. Get this one in. See ya.